This is filled with clothes and cute goodies. Stop, look at the butt of these pants. Oh my God. Welcome. What am I, a Walmart greeter? Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a big collective haul. Some things I bought shopping. I don't know why I'm screaming. I'm always screaming when I start a video, like shut up girl. Some things I bought while traveling, some things I bought in the city, some things I bought online, which I'm so excited because I'm gonna do a little unboxing of it because I haven't even seen it yet. I'm out of breath because I'm freaking excited. Earrings in, check. Lashes secured, check. Roots hidden, check. Nicki Minaj on the boobs, we're good. Let's start this haul. I hope you guys are doing okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in here and watching. Oh my God, I feel like there's like horns behind me. I didn't know Sophie was sitting beside me. That like literally freaked me out. I was like, the Grim Reaper's coming for me, girl. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful weekend. If you wish to subscribe, it is free to do so, and I would love to have you a part of this little, I don't even know what we got going on here, but I would love to have you here. So let's just get started. I want to show you guys, I bought 3 items while traveling. I went to Calgary recently just for a concert. I'm also going to do a story time on that too. I feel like whenever I travel, I do a story time. So look out for that. I vlogged it all, so watch out for the vlog. We're finally up to date with vlogs on the vlog channel. Hallelujah. And you guys are like, why don't you post as often on here anymore? So I wanted to like come back strong with what you guys love best from me, and that are hauls, and that is hauls, and that is haul videos. The very first thing was like probably the thing I'm most excited for is the unboxing that I bought online, which I'll show you guys after. I'll show you guys the traveling stuff. But we went into a store, it was just lids. It was just lids. Austin wanted to go in there. He's like, I just want to buy a new hat. He wanted a hat for traveling home. He's like, I sweat too much in my hat and I want a new one for traveling. I'm like, anyways, like boys are weird. Like, that's the weirdest thing I've ever heard. Not the sweat part. People are like, yeah, you don't get it because you're dirty. Like you sweat in your clothes and keep them on. But like, I feel like traveling, like you sit in like dirty seats. You sit in like, even like the airport in general is like dirty. I feel like you would buy something new after you're done traveling. That's just my opinion. But anyways, I was like, okay, whatever, I'll go to lids. We have a lids. So I wasn't even looking. And then I see this little section and I'm like, I show them more in the vlog, but I ended up getting this hat, this Ed Hardy hat. It's like pretty much the exact same color as what I'm wearing right now. Girl, buy this hat, period. Period. I got makeup on it while trying it on, so I was like, it's meant to be. Just like a little bit. Hold on, right? See right there? And I was like, it's meant to be. Also, the price for this, I was like, I'm buying it no matter what. And I was like, holy shit, I didn't realize how much a hat would be. Literally almost like, well, $80 with tax. $80 for a hat. So I better wear this-ish. And it's adjustable on the back. This literally reminds me of Jersey Shore, Snooki, like JWoww, Gorilla Central, Memorial Day weekend. Gorillas are all outside. Like, get your shit together. Get your vodka. Let's go party. Like, that's what this reminded me of. And I love a good, like, trucker snapback type hat. And, like, comfy cozy season is coming. So I love, like, hats, and especially right now, like I have roots going on, so like to cover my roots, I love this. And the detail, girl, the rhinestones, the Ed Hardy like melting there, it's so cute. It looks like a tattoo. I just love that like Ed Hardy stuff is like more easily to find. I want to say like coming back, but like trends like literally will happen like within a month and then people will move on. For me, I always love Ed Hardy. I always love Juicy Couture and things like that. Things that are like really trending right now. Like that's like what I love, like Hello Kitty and shit. So it's good for me when things that I love are trendy because I can find them easilier. Girl, bye. And yes, my shirt is wrinkly. There are more important things in the world to deal with. Okay, then we went to a store called JD. I've never heard of it. And Austin was like, I want to go in there. And I'm like, okay, it kind of looks like a skate shop, like kind of like like what skateboarders wear. So I'm like, I'm not gonna like anything, but I'll go entertain him or whatever. And there was like a bunch of shoes and stuff. And then I see a Juicy collection and I'm like, ah! My like Juicy alarms went off and I bought these. Okay, so I kind of, I feel like I scammed this place. Because, okay, I'll show you guys. So, they are just like the basic, I have lots of Juicy like zip ups and stuff like that and like sweaters, but I don't have any, I have some shorts, I think. And then I have some bottoms that don't say Juicy on the bottom. Like, I want these so bad. And Juicy runs a little bigger, so I got a small. Normally, I grabbed the medium and large right away to try on. But because the small just looked better on me, am not a small at all. But just like in this fit, that's why I got this. I feel like it just fit me better, and I was like more like snug, even though I know Juicy is supposed to be a little bit more like baggy, but this is just, I love. And this, usually they're velour, I think this is velour, but usually it has that like corduroy kind of feeling, and I'm like, ooh, like the velvet feeling, sorry, and I hate that. This is like not way different, but normally it's like that terry cloth material, and I don't like that. This is like softer. Like I'm not gonna go rubbing my hand across it like crazy, but it's like more manageable for me. Like, I don't know, I just have like a weird thing with like velvet textures, but this is very different. It's very soft. The reason why I say I scammed them, because the ones I tried on were a medium and a large, like I said, and I was like, hey, I think I need a small. So I went out and there weren't any, there were smalls in like purple and brown, and I was like, I want the like basic black because it'll go with anything, right? Like, I've been like wearing sweats so much lately, and I'm like, I need these. They were $145. All of them were $145. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna ask. I hate being annoying, so I got Austin to ask. I was like, go ask to see if they have any smalls in the back. So he did. I was like, there's probably not gonna be because it's probably really picked over. And they brought it out, and I was like shocked. He's like, we had one in the back, and I was like, okay, I'm buying it right now. And then I'm like looking at the price, and I'm like, is it the same thing? So I went back actually, because look at the price. I mean, it's not that crazy. It's still, they're still expensive for pants, but they were $99, $99. So I was like, they were literally $145. I went back to see maybe they were a different style. They were the exact same style, and they were $145, but there was a sticker over each of them that said $145. So I don't know if they're like pricing. And then I was like, they're probably gonna scan in at $145, whatever, and then plus tax, probably gonna be closer to like what, $160, $170. They literally, she was like, $103, please. I'm like, period. Like, buy them, run. Like, so that was a huge story time on just some Juicy sweats, but that's what I got. And then the very last thing I got while traveling, I walked by and there was the 50th anniversary Hello Kitty collection at Claire's, and I could not say no. So I got 2 Hello Kitty items. 50th anniversary Hello Kitty, like, girl, bye, look at this. These earrings are so trashy and amazing. This is what they look like. They are so cute. They remind me of like when you had like play earrings as a kid, but they're like adult version. Well, not really, like I'm literally a kid, but like those like clip-on like princess earrings. And these were $19 Canadian, $14 US, and yes, got those. And then I got this necklace set. I don't know how long they're gonna be. I really like shorter necklaces, but whatever, I just took the chance because they were all like crumpled up here. So we have a PiinkSparkles little heart there, and then this is like what I went for, was this. I was like, I probably have something like this, but I just wanted it anyway. $12.99 US, $16.50 is what I paid because I'm Canadian. So it looks like that. I love the packaging, very cute and like pastel. Okay, so that's like literally all that I bought in the mall while traveling. I wasn't going there, like we were taking a flight, so I didn't want to like overload or anything like that. But I do have some more things, but I have to get into this right now. I'm like freaking out. Ah, okay, I ordered this online. I have not unboxed it for you guys, so I'm gonna do that right now. This is a new Stanley. So you guys know that I'm not just like a Stanley like collector or like, you know, like just sometimes use it. I use this all day long, and I was like, I'll never need to replace it. They came out with a Barbie collection. That's all I need to say less. Let's look at it. There's so many different kinds. There's like this cute, like, I'll just show you, like, this is the other one I was thinking of buying. There's like a big Barbie collection, like 70s Barbie, like 80s Barbie, then there's a Ken one, and then I was like, oh my god. So I landed on like the iconic Barbie one, but I need to see what it looks like in person. So without further ado, let's go. Me and a pair of scissors do not get along. Come on. Okay. Ah! I see pink already. That's crazy. Ready, guys? Yeah, right, it has its own Barbie box. Oh my god. Oh, Barbie Stanley right there. Like, this is so dramatic. I feel like the packaging is so extra. It's like a Barbie doll. I don't want to open this. I feel like this is like a collector's thing, but I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna alternate between the two of them. The Flow State Quencher H2O tumbler in 30 ounces. I could never have that 60 ounce one. Like, I would never. Sometimes my wrist gets sore carrying this size, but look at how cute this is. And it comes with its own little like pink straw right there. Let's open it. What's going on? Why can't I open a simple tasks? Can't even open a box. Girl, bye. How do I function in life? Oh my god, everything just says Barbie Stanley. It's like 2 of my favorite brands. Barbie Stanley, Barbie Stanley. Okay, we're getting annoyed. Let's... I'm getting impatient. Okay, here's the straw. Remember purple? I'm like, no. Oh, well, the way the sun's kind of coming in right now, it's like glistening off of it, and it's, there's like literally sparkles in it. Hold on, look at this. Oh my God, the camera's picking it up. It's like glowing, like reflecting like a light, like lime green almost. Oh my God, the color. So yeah, this is like more purple, so that's what that makes sense. Oh my God, her little Barbie head right there. I'm sorry, I'm so annoying. I know some people like hate Stanley people and stuff like that. Girl, bye. Like, this is probably the only other one I'll buy unless they come up with like a Hello Kitty collection or something. Pure perfection. Get out of there. It's like, how to use. It's like, just drink it. You know me, like anything Barbie, I'm there. And I love how it's just like, to me it's subtle. To me it's subtle. Let's see the difference. This is subtle. Like, this isn't subtle. What am I talking about? I'm so annoying. Oh, mwah, mwah. My favorite thing that I got. Like, the packaging. Get off me. Get off me. I'm from Boston. I'm not. And just like that, she offended the whole city of Boston. Massachusetts is shaking right now. Okay, then I went to Urban Planet. Wait, I went to also Winners. I'll just show you. I threw my 2 Winners purchases in here. Where's the other thing? Oh, here. I saw this and I was like, I think I need that because I'm old. So I'm really bad with like skincare, like knowing what to buy for skincare, I should say. And I saw this, I Googled it, and it had really good reviews on Amazon. So I was like, let's just try it. It was $9.99 and it said originally $15, so it's not that revolutionary. So tell me if you guys have tried this or if it's good or whatever, but it's the beauty elixir 24 karat gold and collagen, 24 karat gold and collagen lifting facial serum. So it says just to like drop on your face and do an upward motion like that. Maybe I'll do like my gua sha, or is that how you say it? I never know how to say that shit. Yes, and then apply my moisture. No, Sophie, you can't go in the bag. There's a whole house to roam around in. Like, just, why do they always have to be right in your stuff? So we'll try that out. I don't know how it's gonna be. And then I really need a new liquid eyeliner. This was literally the last day for my liquid liner, was this makeup look, like, and I need a new one. So I was like, hey, let's try this. Literally the last one of this. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's everything's like so pink. Glossier, I don't think I've ever tried anything from Glossier. It was $12.99 and says compare at $30, $27. Like, okay. I didn't even check. I hate like opening things in Winners because I feel like everyone thinks you're stealing because a lot of people steal from Winners. So I just like hope for the best. Ooh, okay. So this is a pro tip black liquid liner. I like the packaging, beautiful color, and it just looks like this. I feel like I'm already gonna like this. Not really a smell at all. This just seems like a regular felt tip liner, which I needed, so that's great. Okay, so the very last place that I went was Urban Planet, and I forgot my bag, so I had to buy a bag. I literally have reusable bags in my car, in my house, everywhere, like up my ass at this point, and I still managed to like forget to like bring a reusable bag. Like not grocery shopping so much, like I'm pretty good at that, but like if I don't know how much I'm gonna buy at like Urban Planet, I'm like, oh, whatever. Like I always forgot my freaking bags. Okay, so the first thing I got was this little set here. This is gonna be so cute for sleeping in, for lounging in. It's this Bratz 2-piece and it was 20 bucks. Let's take this off so you guys can see the bottoms. Oh Jesus. Oh, they're like attached. Okay, we're not gonna do that. Yeah, we are. Oh, because I can't show it on. Well, I can show it on, but I feel like YouTube hates my body, so whenever I show my body like in something like this, they will like restrict my video, so I'll just show you it on the hanger. I got in a medium because I thought that was a good size. I don't know, but yeah, it looks like this has little padding in it. It's so girly and cute. Like, this is such a girly haul. I love it. And then the shorts, these are gonna be so booty-rific. I love them. The back, oh my god, look at those two girls. They're just girlin', hanging out. They're coolin'. And yeah, it looks like they're very like thin material. Like I can like see right through them. Okay, then I stole a look from the mannequin. I didn't steal it. Like I stole the inspo. I loved this skirt. So I just saw the skirt and I was like, ooh, I haven't had like a plaid skirt. I just loved this. I was like, I miss having like a plaid skirt. And then I put it on my arm right here and I walked around and the mannequin had this skirt on and then they had this like white shirt, this one here. And I was like, cute. Bye. Need to do that look. So I'm probably gonna look nothing like this mannequin. Oh wait, you guys want to know prices? This says $20. I got a large so it could be like really oversized because they're already oversized. And then this one was $20 as well. So this is just like a basic like button up white, and they had it. I'm gonna try to style it like they did on the mannequin. I probably am failing miserably, but yeah, we'll see how it goes and maybe I can be a little fashionista. Okay, this I got, it was just 10 bucks. I got, yeah, you guys are like, what? This is a large. Okay. It's for like fun times. It's like a little lingerie thing. So it's meant to not really fit, you know, like teeny whatever. But this is also so cutesy. 10 bucks, whatever. And then the last clothing item, and I got some cute accessories. I just wanted a basic, because I have so many pullover sweaters, like so many of them. I realize I don't have many like just basic zip ups. Like I have a lot of like juicy ones or ones with like sayings on them or like Arby's ones and stuff like that, but I really don't have any plain zip up hoodies like this. So this one was $25 and I got it in a medium. Some people like that I say sizes, some people don't, so I don't know, I can't please everyone. So then their accessories, their accessory section, everything was buy one, get one $1. So amazing. So I saw these first and I was like, oh my God, I need, look at these rings, especially when I'm getting my nails done and like showing my nails. I love putting on some rings like this. These were only $5.99. So I was like, girl, there's like a cross, there's just like different like do-do-do-do's. I thought that was a good deal for that many of them. So then the thing that I got for $1 were these textured razor sets. Pastel colors, I need new ones for my makeup collection because I'm on my last one. I get a lot of like peach fuzz here, and then on my chin I'm starting to sprout hairs like a witch. So these were also $5.99, but they were $1. So I mean like $7 for these two items, pretty good. And then I was like, oh my God, these little clips are adorable. Look at them. $5.99 also, and they're like those little like, I never know what those are called. I thought this would be cute in like maybe some pigtails or just like on its own or in some braids. And then I got $5.99 as well, but they were $1. Hi, Cinderella. I'm so annoying. These ones are like this kind of clip right here. I was like envisioning like pinning both sides of my hair back like this, and just like I was envisioning myself as Cinderella, like thinking I'm Cinderella. So so I got these also for $7 and these for $7. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And that was everything for this haul. I know you guys miss my hauls, and if you guys want more of these, thumbs this up and let me know so that I can do more of them. Send somebody a nice sweet text today telling them that you're thinking of them, and I love you guys so much. Stay positive, stay you, and I love you guys.